a very long time in Rotary, Paring Ray Bistro, for that special introduction. That is the first time I've heard about it. Thank you, Paring Ray. Talaga nag-research pa yan. Hindi mo rin pala magsalita. Okay, to our beloved, our special guest, the Rotary International President's Representative Bob Barnes, and together with EMGA, past District Governor Virgilio Junchorcon Jr., and past International Interwheel President and past District Governor spouse Ate Zeni Parcon, to the love of my life, my sweetheart Raquel Zamora. Yan. Totoo yun, dito ko sa champagne room. To all the very esteemed members of the Council of Governors and their respective ladies, all our district officers, of course to our distinguished Rotarian guests from the other districts, fellow Rotarians, spouses, my irresistible presidents. Yan, pasensya na rin, hindi pa kumakain dyan ngayon. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We have come here today not just to reflect on the past, but to celebrate our journey together. The achievements that we achieved, or the achievements and the impact that we have made, and the challenges we have overcome, and the legacy we continue to build for even brighter Rotary future. This is the moment to tap our back and say thank you, good job. This is also our chance to strengthen the bonds that make our district one of the dynamic districts in the Rotary world. Our beloved District 3800 has always been a powerhouse of service, excellence, and leadership. This year, we have continued that leadership or legacy with remarkable progress across all facets of Rotary. From expanding our reach, strengthening our clubs, to deepening our impact in our communities, our district has always risen to the challenge, embodying the Rotary spirit in extraordinary ways. In terms of membership, we started in July 1, 2024 with 107 clubs, 2,929 Rotarians, with 34% female members and 20% at the age of 20 and below. And as of March 2022-2025, we are now 109 Rotary clubs. We won the listed club, but with 3 new chartered Rotary clubs. We have now 3,137 members with a positive net gain of 206 members. With 34% female members and 20% at the age of 20 and younger. And the very first Rotary Club that was chartered during this Rotary year is the Rotary Club of Rodriguez Central. They were chartered on September 6, 2024, and it was followed by the Rotary Club of Taytay Renaissance, chartered on January 23, 2025, with a 47 strong charter members. Palakpakan natin ang Taytay Renaissance. And this was followed by the chartering of the Rotary Club of Greater San Mateo on January 24, 2025. And wait, there's more. There's still one pending club that will soon be included in the list of new clubs this Rotary year, the Rotary Club of Marikina Royal. Their charter fee and all required documents were already submitted, and we are just now awaiting for the release of their charter documents. In terms of service projects, I am happy to report that our clubs have implemented 1,493 impactful projects in all the 7 areas of focus. Our district purposely implemented only one service project in each of these areas of focus to give way, support, and encourage clubs to do their own service projects in all of these 7 areas of focus. And as of March 24, 2025, there were 258 club projects under basic education and literacy. Under community and economic development, there were 225 club projects. Under disease prevention and treatment, there were 448 club projects. And under environment, there were 129 club projects. And there were 193 club projects under maternal and child care. And for peace and conflict resolutions, there were 159 club projects implemented. And for water, sanitation, and hygiene, there were 81 club projects finished and completed. Yes. Under the Rotary Foundation, our district has once again demonstrated its generosity and commitment to the Rotary Foundation. As of March 26, 2025, we have generated a total of $361,299 for the annual fund. We have given $104,495 to end polio fund. And we will still give to polio our 20% of our district's designated fund to further increase our contribution. Yes, palakpakan natin. So, we also have given $38,924 to endowment fund, and for other funds, we have contributed $14,211 with a total annual giving of $518,929. And all these figures will continue to increase because, as what we say in our district, it is not over until it is over, so never give up. My heartfelt thanks to our generous Rotarians, spouses, and partners in service, all donors and supporters of the Rotary Foundation. My admiration and big thanks to our annual giving chair, Lieutenant Governor, and District Governor nominee designate Sherry Lou Costa-King for leading and giving her labor of love for our annual giving to the Rotary Foundation this Rotary year. To EMGA, Past District Governor June Farcon, to End Polio Now our DRFC, past District Governor Bobby Tanyag, thank you very much for your relentless efforts, guidance, and inspiration for the TRF in our district. Yeah, palakpakan po natin. Under our public image initiatives, our clubs have 109 Facebook page with 97 active and 12 non-active. We have 28 beautiful My Rotary story videos from our clubs. We have only one print media execution, 12 broadcast media, 26 outdoor media, and 173 people of action photos. We have 10 Rotary markers and 12 billboards located in strategic areas in Metro Manila and provinces as well. And we have 3 active club websites because we only count those active club websites. There were 92 clubs who participated during the World Rotary Day as their public image campaign and event.
Michelle, pakitumba yung 8.
Our commitment to the youth development and strengthening our partners in service remains unwavering. As of March 22, 2025, we have 82 Rotary clubs in our district with 932 Rotaractors. We have 83 Interact clubs with 2,180 interactors, and we had 103 awardees or participants during the Rotary Youth Leadership Awards held last January 18-19, 2025, and we have continued fostering our collaboration and partnership in the community level by maintaining and forming Rotary Community Core. In our district, we have 311 RCCs with 108 sponsoring clubs. While we celebrate our successes, we must also look ahead for renewed sense of purpose. There is still much work to be done. We must continue to grow Rotary, innovate our service process, and embrace new ideas to remain relevant in the communities that we serve. Let us challenge ourselves to dream bigger, serve better, and inspire more. Let us commit to making our district stronger, our clubs more vibrant, and our impact more profound. The future of our District 3800 is in our hands, and together we will make it even greater. For me, this year is also a year of reflection on leadership, integrity, and unity. Rotary is more than just the service we provide. It is about the values that we uphold. This year, more than ever, I have come to realize the true essence of Rotary leadership. That is leading with integrity, standing firm in truth, and uniting people despite differences. Leadership is never easy. It tests our patience, our character, and our will to serve. This year, I have faced challenges that many of you can relate to. Moments of divisiveness, opposition, and even falsehoods. But through it all, I have held one thing, and that is the truth. Integrity is the foundation of true leadership. I have seen firsthand how integrity defines a person, not by the loudest voices of opposition, but by the quiet strength of standing what is right and true. Even amidst intense pressure and intimidation, I have seen people who stood their ground and fight for what is right and for the truth. It is in times of hardship and challenges that we see the true character of those around us. And in those moments, I have realized the importance of true friends and family, the ones who stood by you through thick and thin, not for personal gain, but because they believe in the same values you uphold. Unity is the force that keeps us moving forward. Despite challenges I have seen in this district, they have come together, providing that when we choose to unite rather than divide, if we choose to believe in the truth and what is right, we accomplish more. Our shared divisiveness that may have no differences and even divisiveness that may come our way. There is a saying that is true. You are either supporting the vision or supporting divisiveness. To each and every Rotarian, my Rotary family, spouses, and partners in service in our district, my irresistible presidents, district officers, and district leaders, from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much. Your dedication, passion, and tireless service are the heartbeat of our district. You are the reason Rotary continues to shine as a beacon of hope, kindness, and change. My very special and lifetime gratitude goes to my #1 supporter, the person who has stood by me through every challenge and triumph of my term as district governor, to the one who has conditionally loved me, lifted me up in moments of doubts, celebrating every victory by my side, the person whom I cannot imagine life without, the love of my life, my sweetheart Raquel. Thank you, lady and staff. Thank you, sweetheart, for your unwavering support, patience, and endless belief in me. This journey would not have been the same without you. And I am forever grateful to walk this path with you. To my two loving daughters, Bea and Nia, thank you very much for your love, support, and understanding, even during times we missed having quality time during my governorship. And to my beloved family, the Barangay Zamora, especially to my ever-loving and supportive mother, Mami Ellie Zamora, My daddy is not here anymore. At least my mother and all of my barangay Zamora are here. Thank you very much for all your unconditional love, support, and understanding. I will never make this far without your love and support. And my dear Rotary family, as we move forward, let us do so with the courage and integrity, unity, and with the unwavering belief and commitment that together we can create and continue building on the magic of Rotary. Mabuhay ang District 3800! Mabuhay ang Rotary! Thank you very much.
Thank you, Resistable District Governor Roberto